What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Journey to a Million, where I talk about my journey to a million and how I'm going to get there using junk removal as my stepping stone. And so basically I talk about what I do, how I do it, and the results of that. And today I got some Bandit signs from UZ Marketing. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, is Bandit signs and how that can help your business. Doesn't matter what business it is, especially in the very beginning of a business, this is very important. You got to have Bandit signs. Because yeah, you do digital marketing, you do Google ads, but you still got to do guerrilla marketing. You still got to do organic marketing. You got to do it all, because you want your phone to be ringing with customers that are calling you from all kinds of different places, as many places as you can have established that are going to bring you leads. And so this was supposed to be an unboxing video, but as you can see, I already unboxed it. And so these are the signs that I got from UZ Marketing. Yeah, the camera has it flipped around, but it says junk removal, and this is the number, okay? And so comparing the quality and the look of this sign compared to a sign that I made from Vistaprint, this one actually does feel a little bit bendier, but it looks just as nice as the Vistaprint signs. Same size and same material. It looks the same, feels the same for the most part. It's got the little holes on the side so you can stick the metal stakes in them and put them in the dirt. I already have a bunch of those metal stakes that I actually found on a junk removal job, so I didn't need to buy any. But the reason why I went from this sign design to this sign design is because, one, if you live in a city that doesn't allow you to put Bandit signs around, you can get in trouble or fined for doing that. I guess it's considered littering. And so basically, if you put not your company name, they won't know who you are. And if you put a Google number that's not your actual business number, then you're just going to be a pain in the butt to track down. And so that's why I did that. And so another reason why I did that is the Google tracking number. Every time you get a call from that Google tracking number, you're going to know it's the number that's on all your signs, as long as that's all you use that Google number for. And so, yeah. And then another reason is when people are driving down the street, you see this from like far away and you're like moving, you only get like 5 seconds to look at it, you know, depending on where you post it, and the letters are small. There's too much going on this, right? And on this, you see junk removal, phone number, boom. That's all you really need to know. And so, yeah, this sign design is going to work a lot better and get you a lot more leads than this. And I know that because I already tested out signs that I made from Dollar Tree. I just got some, pieces of paper, big marker, and just would, tape them to different places around the city. But this looks a lot nicer and it's more readable because my handwriting is horrendous. It doesn't look like, oh, yard sale, or so, now it actually looks like a decent sign. And if you do live in a place where they're really strict on like posting signs around, just look for those like cash for houses signs, if you see those around, like other signs, and just kind of like put it in places where code enforcement doesn't seem to mind signs being, like places where you see signs like all the time, like don't go on the busiest intersection and then slap this on a traffic light. Like that's probably, depending on the city that you're in, you'll probably get in trouble for that. One thing about UZ Marketing is they do price matching. So if you're able to find a sign that's cheaper than UZ Marketing, then they'll actually do price matching. They'll do a lower price. And even without the price matching, they're the lowest price that I've seen. And as you can see, the quality is just as good. So Vistaprint, more expensive. All the other places that I looked up, more expensive. I personally haven't been able to find a better priced website for business cards, t-shirts, which I'm gonna need new ones soon, as you can see. I'm gonna get them from UZ Marketing. Hats, all kinds of marketing stuff, door hangers, all that stuff. Get it from UZ Marketing. You'll get the best price and you'll get really good quality as well. And you can go to their website by clicking the link below, and if you click the link below, it'll take you straight to the website. You can get all your stuff there, and I appreciate it if you guys use the link because I'm an affiliate with them. So yeah, use the link if you're gonna buy from them, because then that way I get paid. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my other videos below. I got other videos that talk about how I do this business and how I started it, and some tips and tricks in there. So like, subscribe, comment, follow, and thank you for watching.